Hey guys, so this morning we're going to be installing Stedi's Copperhead LED light bulb upgrades to a 2013 Series 1 Y62 Nissan Patrol. The reason I've decided to make this video is because Stedi has a lot of good information on their website. However, there weren't any videos specific to my vehicle, and it took me quite a while to work out if I was selecting the correct bulb for my vehicle. So I'm going to unbox and just walk you guys through the install. If you are watching this video, it won't be a lighting comparison. There's plenty of content out there to show you lighting comparison videos and you know what you're going to get out of your upgrade. This is more focused on install. So in the box you got a bit of installation information here. So these are the resistor units. This plug here will plug into the factory headlight wiring. The bulb itself just twists in. Now what's very important about these bulbs is that this copper section here actually needs to be flared out. And the reason for that is heat distribution. So Stedi's quite specific about telling the user to flare these copper sections out prior to installation. So that the heat is transferred from the bulb and out through these items. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset the camera and walk you through the installation. Okay, so with our Copperhead bulb prepared, we have our control module, and we're going to be doing our right hand side high beam. So all we're doing is down here we're going to simply twist out the high beam bulb. So this is the bulb. You might be able to see there, it's a H11 bulb on the Nissan Patrol, and you can see these three flares here. Basically exactly the same as the Copperhead bulb, and then all you do, and you can actually look through the front of the light to help you with orientation. Fit the bulb and then make sure that you flare out the copper heads. Just going to put you down. It's important that all those copper heads are flared out, because that's going to help with heat distribution. So the next job is to locate the factory plug. Now I've noticed on here there's a positive and a negative indicator, which shows me that it's important to locate the positive and negative on the factory wiring prior to plugging in. Final task is to just plug in your Stedi resistor into the back of the light bulb, which we'll do now. Once again, check for orientation. There's a small projection which will inhibit you from incorrectly installing. So that's all connected, and what we'll do a test, and then we'll just mount these resistors somewhere, fix off all the cables and make sure that they don't get any heat or damage or rub or anything like that on them. And the install will be complete, and there's the bulb in there. So let's start this vehicle and give it a go. So one final look at the completed job. We've mounted the resistors and cable tied off just neatly the wiring, so to ensure that it doesn't get damaged by anything, you know, sharp or hot. The high beam bulbs are installed. Now make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. Don't know if you noticed, but the fog lights were looking pretty yellow, so stay tuned for that. We're going to do a Stedi LED light upgrade on these lower fog lights in the future. I think definitely well worth the effort. So hope you got something out of this. That was Stedi LED headlight upgrade on Nissan TIL Patrol. Thanks for watching.